What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Platinum here today, and I have a loot gaming crate for the month of March. And as you guys can see, this box is pretty bulky. Just a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I basically get these guys delivered to my house every month. The price is basically $29.99 for each month in order for you to get a loot gaming crate. But without further ado, let's get started. See what's in this box. Oh wow, look at that. So the first thing you see here, we have, ooh, oh my gosh, this is hot. We have a Tomb Raider, Shadow of the Tomb Raider shirt. Now, as you guys know, this is the game I'm actually playing right now, and this game is dope, and I love this shirt. Oh my gosh. Is there anything on the back? No, there's nothing on the back, but I love this shirt. This shirt is so nice. Alright, so let me put this to the side and see what else we got. Oh, okay, so we have, it looked like Elder Scrolls Online hat or cap you can just basically put on. This is pretty nice. I wish the logo, I'm not gonna lie, I wish the logo was more visible. It's just basically stitched black on black, which is cool, but it would have been nice if this was gold, like how the game actually is. On when you start the game up, this emblem right here is gold. But I mean, like I said, it's a nice hat. I'm not gonna complain. I'm definitely gonna be wearing it. But yeah, this is the Elder Scrolls Online hat. So you got the, what is it? I don't even know. I can't even recognize them. But yeah, you know, the Dominion and all that other stuff. So let's see what else we got here. Okay, so we have a Dark Souls card wallet. I'm not exactly sure what they mean by card wallet, so we're gonna open this up and see. Get this thing open. Okay, here we go. Oh, the emblem is actually, I thought it was 3D printed, but this is actually an emblem, which is like metal or copper, but it's actually nice. So you basically put your cards in here, your credit cards. I'm not sure if you can just attach this to your wallet or not, but this is pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it or not, but this is actually pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we got here. So we have a gem. Looks like the gem from Zelda, but I highly doubt it. It doesn't really say. We're gonna open it and see if we get a closer look at what we actually have here. Yeah, it's just a gem, or ruby. Anybody know what game this is off of? Like I said, I thought it was off the Legend of Zelda, but it doesn't look like it. It just looks like it's this game-related pen. You got the rest of my other pens, but as you guys can see, this is really nice. Alright, moving on. So this is pretty heavy. It says Diablo on the front, heat reactive. Just judging by that, yeah, exactly, yeah, it's a mug. So I guess when you have like hot cocoa or coffee or anything hot or cold, mug will change to something else. Let's take a closer look at what this mug is. Oh, okay, so you basically really can't see the logo, but it looks like it's one of those loot reapers. You know, when you if you've ever played Diablo and you run into one of these guys got like the best treasures. And I'm pretty sure if you like use hot cocoa or anything, it'll probably blow up. And same thing goes for the Diablo emblem that's in the back. You can't really see it because it's black because there's nothing in the cup. But I'm pretty sure if it had like hot coffee or cocoa or hot chocolate, this stuff will light up and you'll be able to see it a lot better, which is cool. I like stuff like this. I don't have a mug of my own, so this is actually the first mug I got. So I will be adding this to my collection of new mugs. So the last thing I see in here is this poster. And we're gonna need some room for that because this is pretty big. So I'm not too familiar with this poster is already. Looks like Elder Scrolls. You got, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm looking at, but basically has some type of elven deer down there, and then you got this archer lady, and then you got a werewolf behind her, and then you got this deer, they're like deer god or something, and there's a bunch of werewolves on the side and on this side. So maybe they're protecting the elven wolf or elven deer that's down here or something. I'm not too sure, but I don't know where this is from. And on the back, it basically shows you everything that I got in the box for the month of March. You guys can see. And you basically can, it says the epic drop for this month is one lucky winner can get the Diablo game with the Nintendo Switch, which is basically $350 value. Yeah, and then it explains the gems over here. Yeah, it doesn't really explain where they come from. It's just this exclusive loot game and treasure pit. So this is pretty neat. So yeah, let's put it back. Let's put this away, and then we'll put everything back in a rightful spot, and then I give you my final judgment on this loot box for the month of March. Just put it in here, bring this box back. The hat, the wallet, the jewel. So for the month of March for this loot gaming crate, I actually like it, especially the shirt. The shirt blew me away. I wasn't really expecting the shirt to be that detailed, and I definitely will be rocking that shirt. It's basically my favorite shirt from the loot gaming crate so far. The hat, I will definitely wear that. The mug, I probably would use it. I'm not sure if I'm just going to have it as a collection or actually use it for gaming or when I'm gaming and recording. And the pen, I'm gonna put it where the other pins are, and the card wallet, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that just yet. I really don't trust it with my credit cards or my bank cards or holding my license and all that, but I don't know, maybe I'll give it a shot. But yeah, I like this loot crate for the month of March. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces!